What's going on, guys? Check this out. Check out this video and then check out these awesome new parts that PnwRcMadness just came out with.
Yeah! The double.
Sorry, Jason, I didn't even mean to do that, man. Sorry.
Alright, check this out, guys. We just had some new parts made and they just arrived last week and we're about to install them on my Xmaxx. Check this out. Let me show you what we got. So check it out, guys. This is what we have here. We got a brand new PnwRcMadness Diff housing cover, front and rear, and we got them in all colors. Check them out. Check them out, guys. These are the all new PnwRcMadness, suitable with Traxxas Xmaxx and Traxxas XRT front and rear diff housing covers. These are made of 70/75 aluminum and we got them in all the colors. We got them in green, we got them in silver, black, orange, which we're going to be installing on my Xmaxx today. We got them in red. Look at that, guys. Amazing purple. And last but not least, we got them in blue. We got some new packaging as well. Established 2021. Feel your RC madness. All right, guys, check it out. So again, these are made from 7075 aluminum T6. Check it out. Look at that. Oh man, that is absolutely beautiful. I'd like to show you all the colors. I'll grab some and get them up close. But guys, the whole reason behind these things are flex. The plastics on the truck, well, they move and they bend and they break, and especially at your Diff housing covers. A lot of the times you'll break off a lower ear on one of the plastic cases, but guys, if you grab one of these, not gonna happen anymore, and you're gonna help save your rear ring gears and pinions from less flex. Super simple to put on, guys. All you gotta do is remove your rear bumper and support. Guys, check this out. You can find these on my website as well. These are PnwRcMadness quick tips. They come in a pack of 4. Guys, I have been abusing these pretty well, and well, they are awesome. I love them. They are color coded, all that good stuff. But yeah, let's keep wrenching. All right, so take off the rear bumper and support. Just like that. All right, now you got access to your rear diff cover. And one thing I do see here that I want to make a video on is these cups, man. This truck is almost new and these things are hammered. I'll make a video soon on the GPM cups and how they hardly wear at all. But yeah, there is a stock diff housing cover. Let's pull it off and I'll show you the flex it has, and we'll pop this one right back into place. Oops. All right, with a little bit of force, you should be able to get this thing out of here without taking the whole truck apart. Let me show you my fancy dancy tool I like to use. All right, if you can't get it off with your fingers, there's a little tool. We're just gonna go ahead and do a little pry job. Just like that. Oh, there's a screw still in it, Chris. What the heck? I wonder why it wouldn't come off. All right, there we go. So we got the stock plastic cover. Check this out, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is the flex you get when you have a stock cover, and then actually these will break off. And then guys, once this breaks, there's a good chance that your stock gears break as well. So here we go. Goes on just like this, super simple. Oh yeah, there it is. Like that. Go ahead, screw your housing right back into place. And voila, check it out, guys. Super sick, super nice. Let's go send it.